Hey there, about to make a new shoe, so let's get to it. And this is it right here. And this is what's going to be the block toe, the unions. All Python. If you could tell from a close view. This is pretty much what it's going to look like. I'm going to be super happy how these turn out. As you can see the black wings, you got black and white right there. Nike sign, everything. Everything is Python except for the suede right there, the gray suede. And then I'll get some two-toned shoelaces. But yeah, next step is just to start the shoe process. Thanks for watching this. This was just a little rundown of me getting the shoe ready to make and cut up. But the next one will be kind of the process of what I do next. So see you later.